Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, February 20th. Let's start with that NASDAQ market. I was looking for an unchanged type day, and we can see that it did get a bit weaker. There are some concerns out there that the market's adjusting to, and we're seeing some follow through right here in Asia. That's what this would represent to us. I'm not looking for a dramatic move to the downside. A little bit lower it would make sense, but a little bit of a shadow on the bottom is what I'm looking for that kind of action. Let's move on and let's take a look at the currencies. In the euro, this market is holding its own. We are looking for an unchanged type day. That's what it gave us. Right now it's a little firmer in Asia. I am looking for follow through to the upside for today's action. The Aussie dollar did trade below this bearish level, and that difference between the bearish level and the bullish level in the Aussie dollar is 120 ticks. Each tick is $10, so that's a $1,200 per contract move. Again, just to give you an idea of what that represents. We can also look at our friends in Canada. This market did trade below that bearish level, and the difference here between the bullish and bearish level is 70 ticks, or that would be $700 per contract. Again, that's just a reference. Now, that's for the full-size contract. There are micro contracts, and those are $1 a tick. So it'd be 1/10 that value, or this would represent a $70 move. And over here in the Aussie dollar, that would represent a $120 move. So micro contracts are something you might want to consider trading as well if you haven't traded currencies. In the interest rate markets, they pulled back a little bit as the stock market got stronger. I'm looking for this market to go down. So unchanged, a sideways move or lower is what I'm expecting in that market. Now, gold did trade below this bearish level, and that level, that difference between the bearish level and bullish level here in gold, is $6,300. That's the value per contract, and again, that's just a reference. There's also a micro gold contract for this as well. And let's move on though. I'm looking for a market to break a little bit lower, but to give us a rally today in gold. I'm not looking for further weakness. Crude oil, a sideways market is what I'm expecting there, and I feel the same way about beans. Beans, we rallied, we pulled back a little bit. I'm looking for a sideways move in that market, and that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.